To use the features shown in this video, you will need to use EverWeb 4.4 or higher for macOS or Windows. EverWeb's border options are a simple but highly effective way to control the look of the corners of objects in your website's pages. Border options can be used on objects that have a rectangular background, such as text boxes, containers, the rectangle, and the default shape. Borders can also be applied to images and widgets that support backgrounds, for example, the responsive row, FlexBox, and TextSection widgets. You can even add borders to the navigation bar widget. Check out the video link in the description to find out more. Applying border options to a shape is easy. Select the object you want to apply borders to, then go to the Shape Options tab. Tick the checkbox to the left of the Custom Border Radius text in the Border Options section. This will activate the settings. If the checkbox is not available, you won't be able to apply borders to the selected object. After checking the Custom Border Radius checkbox, all 4 border fields will be available to use. Enter the value you want in the fields that you want to adjust. The changes will be visible in the editor window. If you're using the round rectangle shape, you can only define how you want all of the shape's corners to look. To adjust all the corners of the rounded rectangle shape, first select it. Next, go to the widget settings in the inspector window. Set the value you want to change the roundness of all of the rectangle's corners. If, however, you want to have control over each corner of the shape, change the shape type from a round rectangle to either the default or rectangle shape. To do this, first select the shape, then go to the Shape Options tab. In the Shape section, change Round Rectangle in the drop-down menu to either Default or Rectangle. After you have done this, you will see that the border options are now available to use. You can apply stroke options to most rectangular objects, such as text boxes, images, and containers. You can also apply stroke options to EverWeb's shapes, such as the rectangle, triangle, arrow, or polygon shape. To use stroke options, first select the object you want to apply the stroke option to. Next, click on the Stroke drop-down menu in the Border Options section of the Shape Options tab. By default, the stroke option is set to none. There are 2 options to choose from: line or picture frame. When using the line option, you have 3 line types to choose from: line, which is a solid line, dashed line, or dotted line. Click in the drop-down menu to select the line type you want. The default line type is set to line. In the field to the right of the line type drop-down menu, you can change the color of the line and also its thickness. If you use picture frame, you will have 20 different frame types to choose from. This border type can be used on most rectangular objects in your page, and on all types of shape objects. After selecting the stroke type as picture frame, you will see the default picture frame displayed. To use a different picture frame, click on the currently displayed picture frame, then choose the one that you want to use. Scale the picture frame as desired, using the slider on the right.